Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about the B.Sc Sem 2 Data Science. Okay, here we are going to discuss the Unit 1 12 marks and 4 marks. Coming to the 12 marks, explain the problem solving methodology with algorithms, flowcharts and pseudocode. Okay, so algorithms or flowcharts are very important. Explain Python tokens, variables, identifiers, keywords and data types. Explain Python operators with suitable examples. Okay, explain decision making statements. Those are if else, nested if and if else statement. Okay, if else, nested if with programs is very important. And explain looping statements for and while loop with examples. Explain break, continue and pass statements with examples. Write a program using conditional and looping statements. These are very important 12 marks. And going through the 4 marks, define algorithm, define flowchart, define pseudocode, explain Python identifiers and keywords, list the Python data types, types of operators in Python, difference between break and continue statements, type conversion. Okay, ఇక్కడ మీరు 12 మార్క్స్ నేర్చుకుంటే మీరు 4 మార్క్స్ కూడా అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలరు ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ చాప్టర్ అండ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే, and coming to the unit 2 functions and strings, 12 marks and 4 marks. Explain user defined functions with syntax and examples chala important. Okay, so explain parameter passing and return statements. Explain recursion with a suitable program. Explain string operations and string manipulation methods. Explain variable scope, that are local variables and global variables. Okay, write programs using functions and strings. Explain built-in functions in Python. ఇందులో మనము సింటాక్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తేనే మనకి 12/12 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ త్రూ ది 4 మార్క్స్, డిఫైన్ ఫంక్షన్, టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షన్, default arguments, keyword arguments, recursive function, string slicing, string methods, local and global variables. These are very important. And going through the unit 3, list tuples and dictionaries. Here also 12 marks. Explain list operations with programs. Explain tuple operation with suitable examples. Explain dictionary operations and methods. Compare list, tuple and dictionaries. Explain list comprehensions. Write programs using nested list. Explain applications of dictionaries. These are very important. Going through the unit 4, file handling, oops and exception handling. Okay, here also 12 marks. Explain file handling in Python with suitable examples. Explain classes and objects with a program. Explain constructors and object creation. Explain inheritance with examples. Explain exception handling using try, except, else and finally. Explain different file modes in Python. Write Python programs using classes and file handling. And next, going to the 4 marks, file modes, open and close, class and object, constructor, inheritance, exception handling, try and except, finally block. Okay, next, these are the very important 12 marks and 4 marks from unit 4. And coming through the most frequently asked 12 marks questions, if you learn this 12 marks, you can able to write the 4 marks also. Okay, so focus on the 12 marks and 4 marks both, but focus on 12 marks first. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.